Hello everyone, I am the SCIFI DEXTER. So once upon a time there was a great kingdom which was ruled, not by the minion but by an official king. So the king was considered on the hierarchy of God. There were different objects in his kingdom, and this all were measured by a cubit, that is the distance from elbow to fingertips, a handspan, that is distance from little finger to the thumb, and a footspan, the distance from the tip of the longest toe to the end of the ankle. But do you think this is the correct way of measuring objects? Well, no. So let's learn about physical quantities and measurement. This is a common weighing scale which you observe in a shop. Now this weighing scale shows a 5 kg weight in the left pan while a flour on the right pan. Now the 5 kg is a fixed weight while flour which is to be measured is an unknown quantity while 5 kg is a fixed quantity. So what is measurement? It is comparison of unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity of the same kind. Now let's check out few examples. So a tailor uses a measuring tape to measure the length of a cloth. The speed of an athlete is measured by a stopwatch. The weight of different object is measured by a weighing scale, while the temperature of your body is measured by a thermometer. Now in all these examples, we have measured length, time, weight, and temperature, which is nothing but physical quantity. So these instruments measure nothing but physical quantity. So what is physical quantity? A quantity that can be measured is called a physical quantity. The International System of Units, that is the SI unit, is accepted throughout the world. This table shows different quantities with its SI unit and its symbols. Now let's study conventions while writing the SI unit. The symbols are written in small letters like kg for kilograms, m for meters, and s for second. The symbol for unit named after scientists uses capital letters. Now your F stands for Daniel Fahrenheit, A stands for Andrew Ampere, while N stands for Isaac Newton. The units are never written in plurals. For example, centimeter not centimeters, or kg but not kgs. Units is written in small letters. For example, meter but not meter with capital M. Space is left between symbols when used as products. For example, Newton second. So Newton space second. Negative powers are used for compound units. For example, meter per second is also expressed as meter second raised to -1. Now identify this shape. Yes, it's an rectangle. The distance between these two points is nothing but length. So what is length? Length is the distance between 2 points, and the SI unit of length is meter. A meter is divided into multiple and submultiple. A multiple is a kilometer while submultiple has a centimeter and millimeter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Now let's measure this needle. Now it comes up to a few millimeter. Now if you measure this paper clip, it measures to a centimeter. A baseball bat? Yes, it measures up to a meter. While if you're traveling at a long distances, it measures with a kilometer. So these are nothing but different examples for millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Now let's meet our two friends, that is Robin and Nick. Now they are quite interested to measure a desk. So they use a previous method of handspan technique. So now let's check out the measurement. It's 4 handspan and 6 handspan. But now they both are confused that why did they get different measurements though they measured the same desk. So to avoid this, there are certain devices or instruments to measure the length. Yes, it is a ruler. So what are the devices for measuring length? Yes, a meter, ruler and measuring tape. So now let's see about meter ruler. Now in this image, the lines which are marked with red are nothing but centimeters. While in the second image you can see the red lines which are between 0 to 1 or 1 and 2 are nothing but the divisions of centimeter. So what did we learn today? Measurement, a comparison of unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity. Basic measurements are nothing but length, mass, time and temperature. The distance between two fixed points is called length. SI unit of length is meter. Multiple of meter is a kilometer. Submultiples of meter are nothing but centimeter and millimeter. The devices for measuring length is meter ruler and a measuring tape. Quiz time by the SCIFI DEXTER. The distance between 2 points is called, think. Yes, so let's check your answer. It's length. Symbol of kilogram is, now let's check, kilogram. You're right. The device for measuring length is, let's check out. It's a meter ruler. What a great journey in learning physical quantities and measurement with the SCIFI DEXTER.